Hello. We're building Alpha Bazaar to solve the problem of social media noise in the retail finance space. Let me add a little bit of context. So, today, there are a growing number of retail traders. This has really been spiked by COVID. Just in the US alone, there are over 20 million retail traders, and that's projected to continue growing. These retail traders make up $70 billion of traded AUM, almost 20% of US equities. And this phenomenon, it can be spread kind of globally. It's not just in the US. What is interesting is the percentage of retail traders who use social media to gather the information that they then use to make financial decisions. Almost 35% of retail investors report making a financial decision based off of social media, and for the younger generations, this is especially true. Why is this a problem? This Venn diagram illustrates it beautifully, but the people who are in the red circle are hype machines. They're phenomenal marketers, really good at growing a following, not necessarily good at picking stocks or providing any sort of financial advice, obviously disclosed as not financial advice. On the other side, there are these aspiring strategists, folks who, especially with the tailwinds of AI and use of LLMs, can create these magnificent and really powerful quantitative strategies to predict the stock market, can do great fundamental or technical research, and actually consistently perform and predict stocks really well. However, for many of these folks, it's really hard to market themselves and grow a following. Now, there are a few unicorns somewhere in the middle who have successfully marketed themselves while also being really good stock pickers, but these are really few and far between, making it very challenging for retail traders to actually find them. To fix this problem, we built Alpha Bazaar. Our mission is to give every investor access to the high quality, verified trading signals that exist and are being generated by some of these quant strategists and other brilliant minds, while reducing all of the noise stemming from the financial influencers who are simply fantastic marketers and know how to create content really well. We are bringing retail traders and signal publishers together on a two-sided platform, allowing retail traders to find the publishers who are actually performing and the publishers to stand out on our platform for performance, for their actual historical uh, performance data, as opposed to their just hyping themselves up on social media. And then for creators, we're creating a ton of value by allowing them to share their edge, connect with an audience, and grow their audience, and then providing them a strong path to monetization, which traditionally is very hard to do in the financial influencer space. Lastly, we are a content platform with a bring your own brokerage model. Everyone who publishes on our platform is publishing content, they own their content, and they're maintaining 80% revenue share in a Substack like model from subscription revenue. Where we are today. So we have a fully functioning website. We have a fully built app that we are planning to launch on the App Store in the coming weeks. And we have ramped up our go-to-market efforts, having identified both our ICP and beachhead audiences. We have been going to colleges, engaging with our target customer profile, and getting folks excited about this product, excited about the democratization of alpha, and excited to really grow this product and um, our user base. And we've done all of this with a team of three folks. I'm the CEO, Mike Trainin. I went to West Point, had a career in the military, then had a brief stint in private equity, did my MBA at Wharton, where I did a little bit of entrepreneurship, then went into consulting at Boston Consulting Group. Got back to my roots in finance, working on a hedge fund strategy, and then eventually decided to make this entrepreneurial pivot focused on helping the retail investor, helping people actually make smart financial decisions. Colin, John, I'll pass to you for your interest.
Hey, yeah, I'm John Murphy. Did aerospace engineering, another math guy at the University of Texas. From there, I became a software engineer and then moved into product. Did my MBA at the University of Texas, McCombs. Yeah, and I'm super excited to be here working on Alpha Bazaar. Colin?
I'm Colin Bozarth at running ops growth, and I'm an engineer turned business school turned consultant turned entrepreneur with these guys. So very excited to be here as well, Mike.
We're Alpha Bazaar, democratizing access to alpha. Join us on our journey.